Have you been feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders? Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist. I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and this is why I created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to master essential oils and learn how to make your own toxin-free body care products. Click below to join the box that has over 5,000 5-star reviews. People love us. You'll make these fun recipes, and everything you need is in this month's recipe box. You deserve a break.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Subscribe to the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box.
I love using their recipes because they're fun to make.
I have learned so much about essential oils.
Getting everything in the box that you're going to need to create.
Across the market, they are one of the more affordable brands. With a new theme each month, you'll actually learn how to use your oils. You get to make super fun recipes and get all the ingredients you need. You don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. We're talking about a box that saves money, gives confidence in a natural home, and is delivered right to your door.
How much is it?
Each recipe box has over $100 value. Big bonus box, hero course, essential oil community, exclusive discounts, free shipping, and no risk guarantee. And when you subscribe today, we're gonna give you $15 off. It's only going to be $29.99 for your first box.
Are these even pure?
Absolutely. Every single oil we carry at Simply Earth is backed by GCMS tests. Just enter the code that's on the bottle on our website and you'll find the GCMS results. Here are the oils in this month's recipe box. Lavender is calming and soothing. Sweet Dreams will help you relax and it's even kids safe. Oregano essential oil is a great cleaner and can help clarify the skin. Peace and Quiet essential oil is the perfect oil to put in a diffuser to help you relax.
Abby, we're still shooting. Come on.
Woohoo! Plus, these fun extras. You deserve rest to conquer the new year in style. Use essential oils to help your skin shine with this luxurious lavender body polish. Ready for some toxin-free body care? This DIY Sweet Dreams lotion will hydrate your skin and help you rest better. No synthetic fragrances, fillers, or toxic chemicals ever. Don't wait, because this month's box is gonna sell out fast. Go! Go!